Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to use AI Midjourney for creating landscape pictures. So, first of all, let's go ahead and join Midjourney through their website, like so, Midjourney, real quick, sign in, and then you give them the access to your Discord. So, after you've done with that, you go to your Discord account and you open it, open Discord, and that's how it will look in your service. So here it is. Now, after you've done with this step, you go down, you search for a new buys chat room. There's multiple chat rooms. You can join whatever you want. So, for example, this one, we go all the way down and let's make, for example, a landscape image. So imagine prompt landscape, realistic, high quality, 8K, digital, or let's make it simple. So let's keep it like that and click on enter. So now it will start making us the image that we have asked for. It can take from 1 minute to 2 minutes. Its maximum can take like 3 minutes from your time. So now, as you can see, it started to make us the image. It will not, it's at 0%. Of course, at the beginning, you will see it's ugly and it's not looking that good, but just wait, guys, until it finishes and you will be shocked with the final result. So now it is at 62%, 93. Now I will go all the way down so I can see it in the bottom. So now it will appear, and that's really cool, guys. Holy, that's really nice. Actually, this is really cool. Nice. I really enjoyed this image. And so, guys, yeah, this is your landscape picture using AI. You can upscale it or like give a variation of some of them. If like you liked one of them, you can make a variation of it. So you can see other variation that can be even better from the original picture. And yeah, guys, that was it with today's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and thank you for watching.